Hi everyone! Today we're going to explore differences between things using math skills. Hi Chewy. Sure, I would love some help with this exploration. What's that? You would like to invite BB-8? Well, actually, that would be really helpful. Well, hi BB-8. I'm glad you could join us on this mathy exploration. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, what are some differences between the two of you? That's right. How are Chewy and BB-8 different from one another? BB-8 is a robot. Okay, that's one. And you're a Wookiee. Well, yes, we know that, Chewy. What else? Chewy is taller than you. Yes, that's true. And, you're fuzzier. Yes, Chewy. Wookiees are pretty fuzzy. Keep going. Chewy is older than you. Is he? But you have a bigger collection of space rocks. Is that right, BB-8? Now, here is the next question. Which differences between you can be measured or counted? Not all of them can be. What? That's easy? Okay, what do you think? Fuzziness? You can measure that? Wookiees are 100 fuzzier than robots. Well, you were just kidding. Well, it is true that you're fuzzier. You wish there was such thing as a fuzziness ruler? Yeah, that would be pretty neat, Chewy. Tallness can be measured. Well, that's true, BB-8. Tallness, or height, can be measured. Let's take a look. Well, Chewy, you must have grown. You're at least a millimeter or two taller than I remember. Yes, you too, BB-8. Now, when we are trying to figure out the difference between Chewy's height and BB-8's height, we need a question. Can you think of what it is? Pause and discuss. Okay, one question might be, how much taller is Chewy than BB-8? Well, luckily we have a number line here. Number lines are very helpful for finding the difference. Can you see how much taller Chewy is? Pause and discuss. Well, as you can see here, BB-8 is 3 centimeters tall and Chewy is 6 centimeters tall. These spaces here show us how much taller Chewy is. How many spaces? That's right, 3. That means that Chewy is 3 centimeters taller than BB-8. So, is there another difference between you two that can be counted or measured? Space rocks. Okay, we'll go get them and let's see. Wow, I must say, these collections are amazing, you two. How many space rocks do you have? What's that? You think you might have 10. Good for you. Count and find out. 7. That's great, Chewy. How about you, BB-8? 20. Well, that was fast. I think your collection is very well organized, BB-8. When we are exploring the differences between these two collections, it is handy to have a question. Can you think of one? Pause and discuss. You think you have an idea, Chewy? Oh, 2 ideas. Okay, let's hear them. How many fewer space rocks does Chewy have, and how many more rocks does BB-8 have? Great! That's 2 ways to explore the difference between your collections. So, what do you think? You have 13 more space rocks than Chewy? How did you know that, BB-8? You just thought of it. Wow. Oh, you pictured jumping on a number line between 7 and 20. That's amazing. Can you show us on a real number line? Okay, so you started at 7, and then you jump 3 spaces to get to 10, and then you jump 10 spaces to get to 20. And that makes 13. Wow, what do you think, Chewy? Well, I agree. BB-8's idea really makes sense. Number lines really are handy for exploring differences. And how neat that you can imagine a number line, BB-8. So, what next? Right. Your ages. Okay, what is the question we're going to explore? How much older is Chewy than BB-8? Yeah, or how much younger is BB-8? Great. Which one do you choose? It doesn't matter. Why? Oh, because it would be the same difference anyway. That's a funny way to put it. Okay. How old are you, Chewy? 70 Earth years old. Really? Yes, I know. Wookiee kids are older than human kids. How about BB-8? BB-8 is 15 Earth years old. So, how much older is Chewy? You think you know. You think it's 65 years. Okay. How do you know? Oh, you use BB-8's idea. That's great. Can you show us on a number line? So, you started at 15, and then, okay, you jumped 5 spaces to get to 20. Then you jumped, what's that? Oh, you don't think your first idea was right now that you see the number line. Well, that's okay, Chewy. What do you notice? You need to jump 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 spaces to get to 70, not 60. Ah, you're right. And now you know that you are 55 years older than BB-8. And you also know that BB-8 is 55 years younger than you. Aha, you're right. The same difference. Well done, Chewy. And now it's your turn. Chewy and BB-8 challenge you to explore the ways that two things are different from one another. Which ways can be measured? What questions will you ask? Have fun, everyone, and good luck.